Kubli people borok iba jumpa je kini ki channel ki jonga ki video ki jonga wat kler ru ba pin share ban like ban subscribe du ika channel ki jonga ta ki jontan kam jupi ki baman kapor iji mentem ta ka bawara shapi na po government of Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society tetapi kuat ban tibas pangkani ki jongka kini ki post pila ban peja kini ki video jonga hadu ka pakut dengan batai pi ki jontan kam baro berkumjuri ki qualification ki jongpi alingan pinta di Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society Ranikor card block 6 application for the community cadres and children of SCG member filling of 5 posts at block mission management of unit MSRLS Ranikor card block. Interested candidate may submit their application form of the office MSRL Ranikor card block on the 23rd May 2025. MSRLS Society code application nam ta ki jong pi kinu ki bakwa ban yarap lang nam taka imlang salang bat juro nam ta ki tuki kena lani ki tuki nong trei badai ki member jongka SSG self help group bapila ban apply ki nik post ki palajang ni santeli ki post la pi don interest pila ban apply nam ta ki tuki candidate ki ba interest pila ru ban dulu di application form na po jongka description ki jonga sabu ya ka link ki jonga jongki application form jangka standard form pila ban download nang tai pila ban pendapur UT ka form pila ban submit dala dihi hapo jongka Ranikor blog mo haswa jongka apply tarik jong menta ubnai penai me ajar pesan. The job require extensive tours and night stay in any village within the block, so only such candidate who have the commitment to serve rural people and possess the requested aptitude should apply. Tentang kini kejing tray kinu ki ba ane kinu ki bayo ban selekan ni kejing tray la pio tray pihaban let submit kinu ki chnong ki badon hapo jong kini ka blok mo dan nam ta kinu ki candidate ki badon kejing arap lang menteri lang nam ta ki chnong hapo nong kendong penerap nam ta ki jong ki ban sepriang nam ta ka SSG mo tapi la pan apply ki jaka ki balai jong ki post de MSRLS Ranikor C and RD block name of the post kede MIS kede nam ta ki bat kuat menteri pok iblang salang nomor jong ki post kala jadu santeli payment per month kalkum ka jing sio nam ta ka jing teri ka jong pimo eligible criteria at least 12 pass nam ta ki tu bala pass ya ka class 12 shaning bat ka class 10 kin sim tang tu ki bala tray ya ka imlang kasalang kibala de tray lupa berkumjuru kibala yo experience kibala tray his name hapo jongka MSRLS district ki office preference kin ai tang tai tu kibala pass training kila di kibala experience batray hapo jongka MSRLS upper limit kin de life sans name plus akasan name nato kibala tray lupa his name kibala experience lupa hapo MSRLS kin plus akasan name kini adu suppose name nang ta ka computer skill pasis MIS software DTP kidan kam dem tu ki badan certificate computer skill kidan kam mo decision biang nam ta ki tu ba ko pan apply kila pila berubah download eka application form na po jong ka description kan sabu ya ka link pila ruban klik ketika link bisa download bisa pak saya rupo cyber pila ban zero kena pendap kita baru kidan kam baru pila ban le submit po C and RD card block po Ranikor office mo kita kini kita mentip yang warna HP mentah buat kalian ruban share ban like ban subscribe juga channel jonga. Ku bless you bun.